Right guys, this is a bit of a special one. We're going up to Mae Rim today, just outside north of Chiang Mai. We're actually going up with friends. There's Bird driving, Bowie in the back. So behind there's a bunch of us, and we're going up into the mountain where it's really cold, and we're going to show you how to cook Mon Jam and a bit of a barbecue. And sit back and just enjoy whatever we've got coming. This is a call off at a coffee shop on the way up. It's absolutely phenomenal. You got a water wheel, going up here in the background, it's turning over. Absolutely incredible. This place is it's like a little gold mine off the main road. It is really, really fantastic. Unbelievable, fantastic coffee. Oh, really, really nice. Absolutely fantastic. Oh. You're hiding. This is an absolutely unbelievable coffee shop straight off the main road. The coffee is absolutely first class. Now this is one car. I am not driving down this hill, but we'll stay and watch and see them come down. You come down and you take your chances. Amazing. And if you look up there, it's a mud track. And they're going to come all the way down here. But off they go, and then we'll watch them come down. Look at this, strawberries in December, unbelievable, absolutely fantastic with a nice chili sugar dip. Okay.
Alcohol
40%. 40%, 40%. Banana Lao cow. Actually, it's not too bad. It's got quite a full flavour, but it's still quite harsh behind it. So obviously it needs actually distilling through charcoal. Distill it through charcoal and it'll be a smooth Lao cow. Now this is a bit of a joke, but they say this is a Thai hill pizza, but this is really a bit of a joke because this is actually made out of black sticky rice. It's actually smashed and smashed and smashed and then squashed out, and then they're going to cook it on top of the barbecue. So they're really joking about a Thai hill pizza. It's actually sticky rice as a bit of a patty, and it looks phenomenal and I can't wait to try it. Oh, now that's really nice. Really nice with the sugar cane inside. That is really delicious. I like that. Now this is my igloo for the night. Right, here we are, guys. We're here. We're gonna make Mama Tom Yum seafood. There's 4 of us. We're gonna have a little bit of a party, show you how it's made, and then we're going to enjoy ourselves. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we got our pan of water boiling. What we need to do now is put our shrimp in. Cook the shrimp for a couple of minutes. Make sure it's properly cooked. Everything's got to be cooked before we make our tom yum soup. We're only using 1 pan, don't forget we're camping. Oh, just look at those. Okay, take them out. And then using the same water then, we need to put in our squid. So again, we want to cook our squid for a couple of minutes and then we'll take it out. Okay, we need to take this squid out, and then we need to get rid of the water. We need to use fresh water. So get rid of this, and then we'll put some new water in the pan and start it off to boil. It's a quite slow process actually, because we're cooking on barbecue coals. If you were cooking at home, it'd be a lot easier. Whilst that's starting to boil, just cut up some galangal and a couple of bottom halves of lemongrass. Just peel, chop into 2-inch pieces and give it a smash in. All we do then is put it in the water and wait for it to boil. Whilst that's coming to the boil, we can take out our mama noodles. We're using packet noodles. Just take out your mama noodles. You need to peel some kaffir lime leaves, take the stalks out of the middle, just peel the leaves off. All this is just going to go in the water and flavour the water and add to our soup. Okay, it's been boiling away now for a few minutes, and all the lemongrass, galangal and kaffir lime leaves are infusing into the water. We just add our mama noodles. So mama noodles just for a minute or so, and then give them a stir around, break them all up. We're not going to try and overcook these. And I'm using fish balls. Now if you can get fish balls, that's okay. If you can't get them, don't worry. So we're just going to put in some fish balls. They only take a couple of minutes to cook. Ow. We've got a bit of a gas problem, i.e. we don't have gas and the flames are low. You just have to blow it and get it going again. Okay, add 3 tablespoons of chili paste to our water mixture. Stir it in, clean the spoon in the water, and then what we're going to do then is add about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And a little bit for good luck. Give it a stir around, and then what we'll do, we'll add about half a can of carnation milk and just stir that in gently. Right, sawtooth coriander, that's what we're adding here, but you might not have sawtooth coriander at home. Just stir in the sawtooth coriander. It has a unique flavour of its own. And then we want to take some green onion and coriander or cilantro and give it a slicing up. We need to slice it into about 1 centimetre pieces. You know, we want pieces in our soup. We don't want chopped fine. Give it a little stir in. And then we need to slice up some limes. We've got to add some lime juice to this. We've got to have some sour in there. Okay, slice up your limes. Take some chillies, half a dozen chillies or more. Give them a smash in and throw them in the pot. That's going to give it our heat. We're not going to grind anything up, we're just going to chuck it in. Take it off the heat, stir everything in, and then squeeze in our lime juice. And now basically that's our tom yum soup made. So all we need to do now is actually plate up. We're just going to plate up with our ready cooked ingredients. And we have some boiled egg which we've cut in halves, our squid and our shrimp. And there we are guys, tom yum mama made. How easy is that? If you did like the recipe, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll hopefully see you next time. So, and what we'll do now is we'll just do a little bit of mugatat, which is barbecuing on like an aluminium ring. Now basically what happens is that you use your barbecue coals underneath and you put water in the ring, and then you put your meat on top of the aluminium ring and your veg goes in the water. With chopsticks, you take it off When it's cooked, dip it in the sauce and eat away.
Tao mới nghĩ cái gì nè.
No, it's too dark. Yeah, I don't.